Hi, it's Joanne from Primelite. I'm pretty excited to be here today to show you these fixtures that are new concepts and design for us. Instead of designing the fixture with an incandescent bulb and converting it to LED, this entire fixture has been designed expressly for LED. And because of its size and its width, the lighting fixture itself is the heat sink. Pretty impressive, don't you think? In order to get the maximum light output, we painted the inside of the fixture white. However, you were still able to choose any one of our 29 standard powder-coated colors for the outside of your fixture. The fixture, catalog number 1210, comes in 12 watts or 22 watts, as well as 3 or 4K. And the beauty of it is that our standard 850 arm is a perfect fit. But it gets better. Here we have the same fixture put on a swivel, and the light spread is 4 feet around, making for really great visibility for anything that you choose to light up. We've just demonstrated once again why Primelite, a family-owned company for over 57 years, is the place to go for fixtures that are unique, on the cutting edge, made to the special order of our customers, and most importantly, made in America. Bye.